We have our equation, 2t minus 25d is equal to 100. We're going to find the x-intercept by replacing d with 0 and solving for t. We have 2t minus 25 times 0 is equal to 100, because d is equal to 0. We simplify to 2t is equal to 100. When we divide through by 2, we solve for t. T is equal to 50. This means the x-intercept is 50, 0. We find the y-intercept by replacing t with 0 and solving for d. This leaves us with 2 times 0 minus 25d is equal to 100, because t is 0. This simplifies to negative 25d is equal to 100. When we divide through by negative 25, we isolate d, and we find d is equal to negative 4. Therefore, the y-intercept is 0, negative 4. Let's think a little bit about what they mean. X usually represents the independent variable. Time is almost always the independent variable. So this means the x-intercept of 50 and 0 means that after 50 minutes, the distance from his house to his friends was 0. So he had made it to his friends. The y-intercept represents the dependent variable. This means that when he started the trip at time 0 minutes, he was 4 kilometers away from the friend's house. In other words, the trip took him 50 minutes and his friend lives 4 kilometers from his house. Now let's go ahead and graph this relationship. I've set up an xy plot here. Recall that the x-intercept was 50, 0. That belongs right there. The y-intercept was 0, negative 4, which belongs down here. We graph them by placing a straight line and labeling the function. When was Paul 3 kilometers from his friend's house? Take a moment to answer this question and come back to check your result.